Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
I will show you 3 practical ways to link an Excel cell to Word. Each method has different advantages for size and editability. You can use Paste Link for a lightweight connection that updates values. You can embed for a self-contained snapshot that stays within Word. You can insert an object link to maintain full Excel functionality while keeping the file linked. Decide based on whether you need live updates, portability, or editing inside Word. Open the Excel workbook and the Word document you want to link. Select the single cell or range, then press Ctrl+C to copy the data. Switch to Word, choose Home then Paste Special, and select Paste Link in the dialog box. Pick a format like unformatted text or Microsoft Excel worksheet object for desired fidelity. Save both files in accessible folders so Word can update the link automatically when you open the document. To control links, open Word and go to File, Info, then Edit Links to Files. The dialog shows sources, update options, and commands to change source or break link. Select Automatic if you want Word to refresh linked Excel cells when you open the document, or choose Manual to update only on demand. If you break a link, Word converts the content into static data and stops syncing with Excel permanently unless you relink manually.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.